Hi, I'm Zhang from Honeysuckle, and today I'm here to help you ripen your avocados faster. When you want your guacamole, you don't have to wait 3 to 4 days to enjoy your avocados. We're also gonna dispel some myths and verify some facts, so let's go ahead and get started. While it's true that it could take a while for an avocado to ripen, a single avocado takes between 12 to 14 months to grow, so be patient with your avocados. So to select an avocado that you want to enjoy within 1 to 2 days, make sure to select an avocado at the store that yields to gentle pressure in your palm. You definitely don't want to be squeezing the fruit with your fingers as it can bruise and cause blemishes. If you're looking to enjoy your avocados within 3 days or more, try purchasing an avocado that's more firm. And remember to always check for the California Avocado label. Now let's talk about the different stages of ripening for the avocados. For stage 1, we have a firm and very hard fruit. For stage 2, we have a preconditioned, ready to eat in approximately 3 days if held at room temperature. For stage 3, it's pre-ripened with a slight give to the fruit, and it's ready to be eaten in approximately 2 days held at room temperature. Stage 4 is a firm, ripe fruit, and it yields to gentle pressure. At this stage, it's good for slicing, and it's fully ripened the next day held at room temperature. So here are some tips to help you ripen your avocados faster. Place a red apple in a paper bag with your avocado. The apple will give off ethylene, a natural plant hormone that causes cells in the fruit to change, which accelerates the ripening process when placed in a paper bag. If your avocados are already ripened and you can't eat them right away, slow down the ripening process by placing the avocados in the refrigerator to hold them for a few more days. Now let's dispel some myths about ripening an avocado. You may have seen on the internet that placing an avocado in the microwave or oven can ripen it faster. They may soften, but the ripening is triggered by the natural plant hormone ethylene. Microwaving is just cooking, not ripening. See the difference? Here is our naturally ripened avocado versus the microwaved avocado. It's not as buttery, creamy, and it won't taste as good as a truly ripened avocado. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to enjoy your California avocados during its peak season in the spring and summer months, and always be sure to check for the California Avocado labels. Bye!